It's National Homeowners Month, and we thought it might be interesting to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that we hear about homeowners insurance. Many of you guys are in the process of purchasing your first home, or you're buying a new home. Perhaps you're moving into our state or another new state, or maybe you just want to learn a little bit more about what your policy actually covers and what it stands for. So hopefully this guide will help you a little bit. We're going to be throwing out just one question in each video so you don't get overwhelmed with all the interesting insurance knowledge. So to start with, I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get, and that is, why is your dwelling coverage so much more than your tax assessment? Now, you may not realize that the tax assessment and your insurance value are totally separate. An insurance policy insures your home and what they call replacement cost value. Most of your standard companies are going to go this route, though I will address a change that some companies do allow us to make. Now, replacement cost, what that means is that we do an estimate. We actually have software, the company has software, the agent, that we go into and we put in the details of your home. From the square footage to the year it was built, to whether it's frame, brick, how many bathrooms, what kind of decking you have, any special features. And they take that information and they come up with what they call the replacement cost figure. And that is essentially what it would cost if you lost your entire home today to build it back exactly as it is. Because that's the purpose of insurance, to build you back and put you back in the exact same state that you were before your loss. So to be able to do that, they have to keep up with the cost of building supplies, and you know how much it costs nowadays to construct anything. So that cost has definitely went up. And that's why many of you guys are seeing an increase in your replacement cost value, but not necessarily your tax assessment. Now, on the flip side of that, again, most standard companies do require that. However, some companies do offer what they call actual cash value. Now, that's not true replacement cost. That's the value of your home as it is. So you may not be able to build back in case of a total loss, but at least you would have some coverage if you need to go that route. Now, again, I know that's kind of an easy, quick answer. So if you have more questions, you want more information on why your home's rated a certain way, let us know. We're happy to go through that with you and explain to you exactly what the company's looking at and how they have came up with the value that they feel is the replacement cost on your home.